cannot put this on camera because
It is on camera.
swear
This is on everything.
Soha ne bola that I just barely know her. So
No, but it's true.
Diwali party, don't remember?
Oh yeah, okay.
Diwali party.
I remember.
I remember, yeah.
No,
yeah.
so I'll give you a little info. When I was cast, her husband called me. Kunal called me. Kunal called me and said, "Hey, listen, you're doing the show." I said, "Yeah." He said, "It's come for Soha." I said, "Yeah, I know."
I'm not even that strong, guys.
She's very strong. Listen, there was an action scene where I'm supposed to like push her back, and she's pushed me, and I'm like, God, she gave me the full complex. मैं like job gym में. Wait, so now tomorrow is the action sequence with Soha.
गए gym?
नहीं, time नहीं था.
So I'm lucky that I have women who support me, who look out for me.
हम used to हो गए हैं कि लड़कियां लड़कियों को कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं देती है. क्यों देती?
Yeah.
वो अच्छी लग भी रही है तो मैं क्यों बोलूं उससे? मैं उसको क्यों
I mean,
बढ़ावा
that's
दूं?
competition.
हाँ, why should I?
A
Being that
man
guy.
who's
Husband.
Oh,
I'm sorry, sir. I know. It's yours.
my mother said never marry an actor. That's the only advice she
Yeah,
gave. Never
same.
marry an actor.
Actually, I give this advice to myself. Never date an actor.
So whenever it was summer holidays, we'd be like, Saif is coming, Bhai is coming. There'd be like this whole like the atmosphere would change in the house.
यही लड़का मेरा ड्रीम बॉय है. Run the other way, guys. Ghosting is not okay. Oh, it's really not
I
okay.
don't like this answer.
I
want
want
to throw
to
the-
It's not cool.
ये आपने एक monologue दिया है.
Allowed? What
मतलब
is that?
कि-
What do you mean? I'm sorry, that person be murdered, stabbed to death. I'll do jail time for it. Hi, I'm Nusrat Bharucha.
Hi, I'm Soha, and we are on the Superwomania show with Stuti.
Hi guys, welcome to the Superwomania show. मैं हूँ स्तुति, and we are very excited for Chori 2. Therefore, the two Choris are here. Soha Ali Khan, Nusrat Bharucha. Welcome to the Superwomania show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've seen the trailer. That's all we can see अभी तक. Release हो रही है 11th को, 11th April. Okay, everybody should watch it of
11th
course.
April Prime Video.
ये ज़्यादा डरावनी लग रही है from the previous installment. Is it true?
Of course, I think बनाने का point ही ये था. मैं आपको बताऊं actually आपको ट्रेलर से डरावनी लग रही है because of course that's the point of the film. But जो मुद्दा है that is gotten
Correct.
bigger
Yeah.
and creepier
Yeah.
and for me that is more scarier. कि अब तक तो हम वहाँ तक सोच के कर रहे थे that imagine the girl has now पहले तो उसको जीने नहीं दिया जाता है. अगर वो बच गई और बड़ी हुई तो भी एक और social evil practice ready है उसके लिए.
Yeah.
फिर वो और थोड़ी बड़ी होगी तो एक और है.
Yeah.
फिर
Yeah.
और बड़ी means it just keeps going on. So it's हमारी पूरी जिंदगी कुछ ना कुछ हम पे किया ही जा रहा है. And we are trying to fight it and we're still trying to get out of it.
Assuming here कि इस film से पहले you guys had never hung out or were friends. What was
Little
it like?
bit.
Had we?
Diwali party, don't remember?
Oh yeah, okay.
Diwali party.
I remember.
I remember, yeah.
No,
yeah.
so I'll give you a little info. So there was a show that Soha did, which was initially offered to me as well, and I still want to do
Oh
it.
yeah, my memory is so bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know,
of course.
and I really want. I've been wanting to do a web show since 2018, before web shows even became web shows. But for some reason, करते करते नहीं होता है. मतलब lock होता है फिर नहीं होता है. Similarly, when on the show that she was on, I was locked principally money, everything. And then my dates clashed with a film that I had committed before, and suddenly the film went on flows.
Correct.
So I said, अब मैं वो पहला commitment छोड़ नहीं सकती. तो can you all adjust? I mean, can the show adjust dates? And they couldn't because there were multiple actors on the show. So I remember when I was cast, her husband called me. Kunal called me.
Yeah.
Kunal called me and said, "Hey, listen, you're doing the show." I said, "Yeah." He said, "It's come for Soha." I said, "Yeah, I know. I mean, I know who's being
Yeah.
offered the show." So he was basically just trying to get us
Like
to
a-
kind of
acquainted.
like get acquainted that oh you're going to work together. तो वहाँ तक बात हो गई थी और फिर मैंने शो नहीं किया. Then I actually
But
met her.
फिर ये destined था कि ये
ये
होगा.
destined था, and then I met her at the Diwali party where we spoke about this. I
Yes,
said,
yeah.
shit, I almost was going to work with you and I didn't. And now we're here.
And now we're here.
So how did we break ice? Like on set, is that when you first met?
Soha has broken the ice with me by lifting me on set. Like she just carried me and I said, okay, babe. And we have pictures and all also of
Yeah,
that,
we have
right?
lots of like BTS.
She's just lifted me up, lifted me off my feet.
It's not
Swept
very
me off my
difficult
feet.
to lift you.
Yeah, I'm not, yeah.
Also, I just want to say, it's not like I'm not even that strong, guys.
She's very strong. Listen, there was an action scene where I'm supposed to like push her back and she's pushed me and I'm like,
I
excuse
was
me.
like, do you want to start pushing me at any point?
I said, I am pushing you. Why are you not getting pushed, girl? And I had to call the action director.
I love this.
Whenever you're going to start pushing, just tell me, huh?
She's like chilling. I'm like, babe, can you act like you're going back? I had to call the action director and say, can you tell her to act?
Because
Because I don't have any more energy.
Yeah, we have a bit, like we have
She's very strong. God, she gave me the full complex. मैंने कहा job gym में. Wait so now. Abs मारो. Tomorrow is the action sequence with Soha.
गए gym?
नहीं,
नहीं.
time नहीं था.
I saw the first installment Chori and I thought it was such an important subject. It's not just 8th of March या March का महीना when we talk about women-centric things, but it's an everyday reality. The casual sexism, everyday misogyny.
Yeah.
उसके बारे में बात ना करें, then there is a problem. So I want to know, how did you watch the first film as an audience? What did you feel about it?
I saw the film, मुझे बहुत पसंद आई. सबसे पहले, of course, the social message was impactful.
Yeah.
But I just thought that it was a really well-made, well-performed film, and I was most impressed by Nusrat's performance.
Yeah,
I really
she's
thought
so
it
Can
was.
you not put this on camera? Because
is on
I
camera.
swear-
This is all everything.
Listen, and it's very relevant to your show also. Women don't stand up for women.
Yeah.
वो जो लाइन है ना, एक लड़की ही एक लड़की की सबसे बड़ी दुश्मन होती है, सच है.
हाँ, heroines कभी दोस्त नहीं हो
कभी नहीं हो
सकते.
सकते. But let me take a moment and tell you, Soha has been a darling from day one to
So
day
good.
now. जितनी बार सोहा ने मुझे बोला है कि उसने पार्ट 1 देख के मेरी परफॉर्मेंस इतनी अप्रिशिएट की, उतना मेरी फैमिली फ्रेंड्स से मिला के किसी ने नहीं बोला होगा. जितना सोहा ने बोला ना, I just barely know her. So
No, but it's true. It's true. I loved
yeah.
I loved part 1, and that's when I thought, okay, this director also knows how to bring out a great performance. He works comfortably with women, and this is someone that I would like to work with. And then, of course, the opportunity to do a negative character.
Yeah.
I thought that for me was
coming
really
to
exciting.
that,
Yeah.
that is scary.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sure a lot of hours on the makeup chair must have gone into it.
No, this is
And
how I
doing-
normally wake up. What do you mean? Actually, I put hours of makeup to look normal. Of course, there were hours of makeup to look like a monster.
Tell me, how is it different when a woman compliments a woman as opposed to when a man does?
So I'm lucky that I have women who support me, who look out for me, who compliment me. And I do think when they compliment me, because it doesn't happen in the general female world so often, I think it's more genuine than perhaps some men who might have another agenda. But you are single, you might face this. Are you single? I don't know. Am I announcing
come on.
something
I
that nobody
just
else knows?
asked you right
I
now.
don't know.
Is your friend single?
But that was
Obviously,
off
I'm
camera.
I will ask
But
her
that's
that.
off camera. No, so I'm just saying, so you're single, so you probably get complimented by men more than I do.
No, I'll tell you what it is. हम used to हो गए हैं कि लड़कियां लड़कियों को compliment नहीं देती है. क्यों देती?
Yeah, yeah.
वो अच्छी लग भी रहे तो मैं क्यों बोलूं उससे?
हाँ.
मैं उसको क्यों
अरे, but
बढ़ावा
that's
दूं?
competition, you
हाँ,
know,
why
yeah,
should I?
yeah, yeah.
So when we actually get it from a girl, we're like, एक मिनट, ये तो normal नहीं था, इसने मुझे compliment दे दिया, मतलब कुछ तो actually अच्छा होगा मेरे में आज. It's a shock value, I think, which is why which should not be the case.
Yeah, yeah.
But with men, we are used to them complimenting us. We're like, oh, you like what? Of course you do. It's like, yeah, I know. I saw
Yeah.
myself in the mirror. But when a girl tells you, it really gets your antennas up because we're not used to women complimenting women, which I
Yeah,
think is,
yeah.
we should change, na?
You know, इस March से हमने शुरू किया the Superwomania Green Flag Edition, where we said we'll also speak to the men, our male allies, of course approved by the Superwomanias. Is there a green flag in your life?
Means like
A
Green
man
flag guy.
who's
Husband.
oh.
I'm sorry, Farhan. It's also.
Let me just think about this.
husband, brother, best friend, कोई भी.
Actually, like a green flag man.
Yeah.
I want to say my husband because now I feel like I
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to.
you have
because
to, there's pressure,
Nusrat is a husband. So, of course, Kunal, I mean, is...
Nusrat, you said it like a typical, अरे पति का नाम लो और किसका लोगी?
हाँ, मतलब अगर वो नहीं होते तो फिर
No, I swear, for me, it
बिल्कुल
comes.
फूफा वाला जवाब था ये.
Listen. For me, it comes to the fact that if you've chosen to get married to someone after a certain age, not like कि 20 साल में 25 साल में,
मतलब कि खुशी खुशी किया होगा.
हाँ,
उसमें कुछ
और
होगा.
time लेके किया
हाँ,
होगा.
तो सोच समझ के किया
Yeah,
होगा.
I know, but it's too cute. Husband, खत्म करो जवाब.
No, but it is unfortunately it is a boring response, but I have to say two. One
Yeah,
is husband,
yeah.
one is father.
Yeah.
Because really, father being the original man, I really think he broke the mold.
Yeah.
And he was the coolest person in the world.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Like my mother worked her whole entire life after
Correct.
they got married. He never once, said anything. He was supportive of her. He used to be home with the children when she was at work. Many birthday parties she missed, but he was there. He
At a
used to-
time when this wasn't a thing,
not
without
a thing
making
at
a
all.
big
Like
deal
I've
of
never
it.
seen my father go to work,
Yeah.
but I've seen my mother go to work. So
Yeah.
this idea of like the man goes to the office and the woman
So
stays
cool.
home was inverse in my life. And even when it came to his approach towards the relationships that I had, like he was just.
You were open about it. It was fine.
No, it wasn't like fully open because I knew that even though they were liberal parents, there was a sense of decorum and a sense of. But we had conversations. Certainly, we spoke about lots of things. We spoke about religion. We spoke about sport. We spoke about my career. We spoke about living alone and the time when I moved into my first house.
Yeah.
And luckily, he met Kunal also.
Yeah.
So there were lots of things. I think he's the original green flag. And then I'm very lucky to have met
Pati.
a green flag. And he's the wind beneath my wings.
Aww.
So cool. So cool. Two sisters and a brother. How was it growing up? with Saif? Was he like the elder brother who was very overprotective, or he just let you be?
No, he was the elder brother, but he
Yeah.
was not overprotected. He was the one who got into trouble his whole life. He was the
Yeah.
one who was breaking the few rules that we had. He would break.
So you guys automatically became the good kids.
I tried. I bunked one economics class, and that was like the worst thing that I did. And my parents were like, "Please, just don't even try." And after I forget, like rebellion was not even because he
That's too funny.
he'd done it all
Yeah.
and continues to do it all. So I feel like we kind of looked up, when he studied abroad. He was in England,
Yeah,
in Winchester.
yeah.
So whenever it was summer holidays, and we'd be like, Saif is coming, Bhai is coming. There'd be like this whole this atmosphere would change in the house. And my parents would be like, okay. Then I inherited his bedroom when he
Yeah.
moved to Bombay. And they would not let me sleep there. They said, it can be your day room, but like
Why
used to-
ki influence na hai?
हाँ कि मतलब
Really?
कि he used to jump out of the room at night
Oh,
and
yeah.
like sometimes after dark people would arrive or people would leave or something, so they were like no you look like him so we're not taking that chance. So I had to sleep in the room between like my parents and my sister,
It's too
but
funny.
that was my day room.
Okay, and now the relation must have evolved. What is it like?
It's great fun. Like sometimes he has like a dichotomy thing happening. Sometimes he wants to be the protective brother. So he will call and say, "Are you sure you're okay?" And you look like now every time I go and see him, like I saw him recently over Eid, and he'll look at me and he'll be like, "It looks like you haven't slept well, or it looks like you've been
sweet.
crying. Have you
Yeah.
been crying? Is everything okay?" And I'll be like, "No, just firstly stop looking at me so intensely, and I'm fine. I just haven't slept well, or like I don't know, like maybe I've got some water retention right now." And then the other day when I saw him on Eid, they said, "Your eyes are looking like quite sparkly. It looks nice. You look happy." So I'm like, "Okay, thanks, bye." So he's interested
Yeah.
and he wants to be this protective. And then sometimes he's just like more of a friend. And like when he met Kunal for the first time, he just kept touching his biceps and saying, "Oh, got great biceps." And I was like, "Bhai, like, can you stop doing that? You're just being weird now." And Kunal was also like, "Thanks, but can you maybe not touch me so much right now?" He's just different. He's
He
different.
is. I love it. I love the touching biceps.
Yeah.
It was too funny. But aapki green flag.
Oh
I
God,
also want to
guys,
know.
can we just skip me?
I want to do your green flag.
Let's skip to the good part.
Okay, tell us a little
I
about
don't
the
know
red
when.
flag.
Yeah.
I think, okay, come on, leaving the father and the brothers aside,
Yeah.
they've obviously, actually my brothers have been quite a strong, because I'm the only child, you look for it in your cousins and
Yeah.
your extended friends, which has been, touchwood, good. Apart from that, they've only been red friends. And actually the sad part is I couldn't see red for red. But I don't know for what stupid reason I only saw green.
Green.
red
Watermelon. ना
color?
बाहर से green, अंदर से red.
मैं कहा कहाँ है red? नहीं है. थे.
I think we have to do a watermelon
Hey.
edition as well. कि बाहर से green दिख रहा है.
अंदर से red,
अंदर से
red.
पूरा red था. Oh shit.
तो अब दो ऐसे red flags दिखते ही आप बताना चाहेंगे कि लोग side हो जाएं.
So like characteristics, red flags type. Because we are living in this era of Instagram and social media and cameras everywhere, unfortunately, even we, I'm not just blaming the boys, have become एक correct तरीका of behavior होता जो है ना, उससे please थोड़ा mindful रहो. और आप जब सवाल पूछते हो उनसे और वो इतने वाह 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 क्या जवाब था, यही लड़का मेरा dream boy है. Run the other way, guys, because what he's saying is not what he's actually doing, na?
Yeah.
He could give the best answer on
Actions
this
speak
planet.
louder than words.
So don't fall for it. Especially those people where you're climbing somewhere and you feel like, oh, suddenly chair aa gayi. Oh, thanks. No problem.
Watermelons.
No problem. Great that you gave me a chair, but where's the camera? Oh, that's why the chair has come. So watch out for the people who are living this good boy etiquette, Prince Charming or knight in shining armor wala vibe, because they're only doing it for cameras, because every day they are seeing it on their phone के सही तरीका यही होता है कि इस पे इतने सारे
Correct,
comments,
correct.
wow,
So they're also
hearts,
play acting.
लड़कियां,
Yeah.
they're play acting. Girls are falling for this,
Yeah.
and I
Yeah.
need the girl, like, you know, whatever, I'm not gonna say it. Just stay away from that, because you won't even realize when this hits you.
ऐसे दिलों के तार छिड़ रहे
वो
हैं.
छोटे वाले रेड फ्लैग्स तो अब रेड फ्लैग्स ही नहीं बच्चे, वो तो
Correct.
पप्पू हो गए. ये है बड़ा वाला.
This
इससे
is
भागो.
amazing. इतने खुल के बात हो रही है. Thank you so much.
Oh.
Really loving
That
this
is
conversation.
really scary. That's the scariest thing anybody has ever said to me.
अच्छा एक segment खेलेंगे हम. It's called Ghost or Dost. Okay.
You want to
Here
either
the-
ghost this person or make him a dost.
हाँ, ghost in a very Gen Z sense या दोस्त. ठीक है, तो वो ex जो genuinely बड़ी माफिया मांग रहा है आपसे, आपका gut कह रहा है कि ये तो नहीं बदलेगा. ये ghost करोगे, दोस्त बनाओगे.
मैं दोस्त बनाऊंगी.
मैं तो बना चुकी हूँ पास में.
But gut कह नहीं रहा कि वो
मैं इस पूरे का आंसर एंड भी दूंगी, अब खत्म कर लो पहले. मैं दोस्त बनाऊंगी.
बंदा genuinely प्यार करता है, okay? लेकिन emotionally unavailable है. फीलिंग्स हैं पर फिर नहीं है, फिर वो बिजी हो जाता
Ghost,
है.
ghost, ghost.
मैं दोस्त.
यार ये I don't know what Nusrat is up to.
There is a punchline, guys. I'm
You
a
are colorblind.
punchlama girl for
You
a
are
girl for a
colorblind.
reason.
You don't
Babes,
know
hold on.
green from
Hold
red.
यार. Next. मैं दोस्त बनाऊंगी next.
Okay. That one bestie, a girl bestie or a guy bestie जो हमेशा brutally honest है, इतने honest कि वो बुरा भी लग सकता है जो वो बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ दोस्त.
एक लड़का जिसने कभी चीट नहीं करा या एटलीस्ट आपने नहीं पकड़ा, बट बहुत सारी फीमेल फ्रेंड्स हैं.
दोस्त बनाऊंगी.
हाँ दोस्त. मैं भी दोस्त बनाऊंगी. ठीक है, लड़का लड़की दोस्त बन सकते हैं.
एक बंदा जो हर एंगल से ग्रीन फ्लैग है बट दिल कह रहा है कि कुछ ऑफ है.
मैं दोस्त बनाऊंगी.
आपके बहुत दोस्त हैं. हाँ.
बहुत.
Okay.
आंसर.
I will give try. No, दोस्त.
दोस्त एक जो बड़े बड़े सपने दिखा रहा है कि बेबी शादी करेंगे ये वो, बट दोस्तों से नहीं मिलवा रहा.
मैं दोस्त
मैं तो
बनाऊंगी.
तंग आ गई.
You tell me when this is over, then I will give you my answer.
Okay.
Ghost.
Ghost. एक फ्रेंड जो हर लो फेज में आपके साथ है बट वैसे 24/7 अवेलेबल नहीं है. इफ यू आर
वो मैं हूँ.
जेन्युइनली
Guys, वो मैं हूँ.
मैं भी
लो
वही हूँ
फेज में
वैसे.
साथ.
But दोस्त of course.
जब जरूरत पड़े मैं हूँ, नहीं तो मैं फोन कभी नहीं उठाएगा.
Exactly.
Okay,
Same.
okay.
Same.
That one friend जो एक एक पैसे का हिसाब रखता है.
मैं दोस्त बनाऊंगी.
अच्छा ये बोली मैं किसी को जज नहीं करती हूँ.
Cut, copy. No,
अगर
don't,
ऐसा कोई
don't,
जवाब
don't,
दिया,
guys,
नुसरत.
stop it. Don't go to assessing my answers. I'll give it to you in the end.
But it's हाँ. मैं दोस्त बना लूँगी.
Really
हाँ,
like
ठीक है.
कंजूस
हाँ.
type.
हाँ ठीक है. कैसे होते हैं.
Is your list over?
बोलो ना.
Now I can say. Listen, guys, I want to say this for everybody, and I'm genuinely meaning it.
You'll be
Ghosting is not okay.
Oh,
It's
God.
really not
I
okay.
don't like this answer.
I
want to throw
swear
the-
to you.
what is
this? I
It's- no,
don't
one
like
second, one
this.
second. I seriously want
But
to say
she's
this.
not meaning disappear on someone. She's
No,
saying
I
उसको
mean,
अपनी लाइफ से निकाल
like
दो.
it-
No, I get it, but I still want to tell everybody. ये सारे situations
I feel ये
life
बहुत ही
में-
personal है.
अरे
कि तुम्हारे साथ कुछ हुआ
नहीं,
है.
मेरे साथ भी मुझे बहुत ही गंदा लगता है, कोई और भी करता है तो. ये जितने situations है लाइफ में, ये सारे एक बहुत ही practical skill से sort हो सकते हैं. वो है communication, जो ghosting का opposite है.
अरे
So do not ghost anybody. Call them and talk to them and tell them ये problem है, ये है, ये है, ये है.
चलो, कान
मैं
पकड़ो.
आगे but I'm going to continue behaving like this with you in this setup. I hope that's okay with you. Communicate, guys. You're sitting in a radio station communicating, reaching mass general audience. Do not tell them to ghost people. Do not ever ghost anyone. It's not cool.
ये जो आपने एक मोनोलॉग दिया है.
I'm telling you.
पंचनामा ghost.
I'm telling you, it's a very bad thing.
Here we
It's
go.
traumatic, guys. I feel it. I'm sorry.
Guys, ghosting is bad. Don't ghost anyone.
Yes.
Always communicate. It's very important.
Some red flags
बोल
need
दो
to
ना
be ghost.
कि okay, listen,
Have you
I'm not, I don't like this behavior and I don't like this, so hence I will not be talking to you.
Have you ever allowed
Yeah.
anyone?
दोस्त क्यों बोला है सब में?
दोस्ती में तो बोलूंगी ना ये.
Have you ever
बोल
allowed
के-
anyone to ghost you?
Allowed? What
मतलब
is that?
कि-
What do you mean? I'm sorry, that person will be murdered, stabbed to death. I'll do jail time for it.
You know, जो moral fabric है इस फिल्म का, इस स्टोरी का, वो in a way बहुत universal है. Every woman in the sphere that she's in, whether she's working in the industry, out of it, faces this. Okay, casual sexism बहुत होता है. How have you, in your way, fought it?
To be honest, Tuti, to even get to a point of having the power to choose, you still have to go through it. You still have to go through it. And that's the sad part, I think. Because it's casual, because the sexism is not in your face.
Yeah,
You
it's the
can't-
conditioning. You
You
realize
can't call
that,
it out. If you give me a black and white issue or a black and white comment, then I'll call it out. And the world will stand by me and agree with me saying, हाँ सही बोल रही है, इसने
But
गलत
give me an
किया.
instance of. So I'm sure you would have.
See, there's lots of issues. Like I feel like the major issues in my life, luckily, और मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि मेरे जो ancestors हैं, वो सब battles लड़ चुके हैं कि मैं पढ़ना चाहती हूँ. My
Yeah,
grandmother
yeah,
fought. जब
yeah.
मतलब my mother's mother in Calcutta, उनको
You
MA
owe it
पढ़ना
to the
था.
women who came
So
before
all our
us,
foremothers
yeah,
have fought
yeah.
these battles. My mother has fought that battle कि मैं शादी करना चाहती हूँ. अच्छा मुस्लिम
On my
खानदान के
terms,
हैं
yeah.
और नवाब हैं और सब जानते हैं नवाब लोग कैसे होते हैं, लेकिन मैं करना चाहती हूँ. मैं फिल्मों में काम करना चाहती हूँ. Then everybody asked her कि आपके husband ने आपको कैसे allow किया फिल्मों में काम करना. So she's faced all of that, she's fought all of that. Luckily I come from a family and a world जहाँ पे ये ऐसे problems नहीं होते हैं. मेरे problems बहुत ही simple होते हैं, जैसे कि दीदी खाना में क्या बनाए, और वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है क्योंकि ना तो मुझे खाने में एक्चुअली इंटरेस्ट है और ना तो वो मेरा स्किल सेट है क्योंकि मैं किचन के अंदर गई नहीं हूँ अब तक, और ना तो वो एक्सपेक्टेशन रही है
And there's
मेरी
an
family में.
expectation कि आप कहीं भी हो, you will answer that
और
question.
ये भी एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि मतलब भैया तो टीवी देख रहे हैं,
हाँ.
मैं काम कर रही हूँ तो मैं दिखाई दे रहा है कि मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ,
Yeah.
लेकिन भैया को तो हम डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सकते. तो दीदी ये कैसे करे, वो कैसे करे. बोले भैया से जाके पूछ लो ना. नहीं भैया से कैसे पूछ सकते हैं. तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है. So then I sat down. I said, "Okay, luckily again, because Kunal loves food, he was like, तुमसे तो होगा ही नहीं। एक जो मेरा सपना था कि एक दिन तुम मेरे लिए खाना बनाओगे, एक बार तुम मेरे लिए बना दो। मैंने एक बार खाना नहीं बनाया। And that is such a small battle, but I just feel like that expectation, the way that you speak, like I'm quite loud. I speak my mind.
Have you ever been told thoda softly, talk like a girl, sit like a girl?
Sit like a girl,
Laugh
I've been
like a
taught many
girl.
times. Sit like a girl and maybe, be a little feminine also. Someone has told me also you're presenting a rather masculine energy. So I was like, I don't know what that means, but I've been told that. So I feel like there's an expectation for women to behave a certain way, even to be accepted and liked and included.
A challenge that you thought was unique because of your gender. That I faced this in this industry because I was a woman.
At least here, I was not allowed to ask too many questions.
Yeah, that is so true.
मैं अगर 4 सवाल और पूछ लूं, but इसका ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं, ऐसे क्यों नहीं कर रहे, और इससे क्या होता है, और आगे क्या? Can you stop asking questions? It's almost like तू जवाब जान के क्या करेगी? क्या करूँगी मतलब मेरे को थोड़ी ना कोई इमारत build करनी है. It's just for my knowledge. Can I not build my knowledge? Doesn't that make some sense? Can I not be aware of what the situation is? Can you not be in a place of teaching rather than a place of condescending?
Yeah.
Why can't that be something you are empowered to being? I'm not scared of asking questions. Even if I'm sounding dumb, I want to ask the questions because I'm learning something from here. तो भाई आप जो भी हो आप जवाब दे दो ना.
Yeah, tell me the role of a woman figure in your life. आपके case में आपकी mom, people still talk about how graceful she is, how she's taking care of herself. Your sister-in-law, Kareena, recently was all over the news about how, she loves khichdi and talking about aging and just normalizing it.
Yeah.
Because it's so important that women who we idolize talk about things that affect people.
Yes.
Because women are not allowed to age, right?
Yes.
Men
Yeah,
can age,
absolutely.
but women can't. So
Yeah.
it's great to have an actor you love and adore say it's so normal.
Yeah.
How is it like being surrounded by such women who speak their mind? And how much of it kind of rubs off?
I think, it's all about the voices in your head. If the voices in your head are empowering, positive, uplifting, your life is just generally going to be happier. But if you have that voice in your head saying, if I had that voice in my head saying, nose job karana chahiye na, like I would have done that. But I didn't have those voices. I had and there was a sense of but this is also something.
Did upbringing play a role? Was it
No, I
your
don't think
mom
it's
who said
upbringing.
you're fine in your...
No. In fact, my brother and I have had many discussions. We were like, oh, should we? You first, me first, you first, me first. And we just haven't gone
But your
there.
mother must have said, Patani knows.
No, I don't think, but I think I felt like this was something I inherited from my
Inherited,
father.
yeah.
And I was like, oh, this makes me distinct.
Correct.
Yeah.
And sure, there's a sense of being aesthetically appealing, and there's a sense of this face has symmetry. Therefore, it is more appealing to the eye.
Yeah.
Sure, that exists, but then if I did that, I felt like I would be letting myself down.
What about you?
I have always looked up to my daddy because I'm the only child in my family and I'm a girl and I'm from a Bori community. And there are a lot of do's and don'ts and there are a lot of pressures from society and family. And the eldest in my house is my dadi. My dadi has actually been the one person who said, एक ही बेटी है, उसको जो करना है करने दो.
That is so cool.
वो अगर नहीं सक्सेसफुल हुई तो हम बैठे हैं इधर, कोई बात नहीं, क्या हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, कर ले.
Generally, like I'm sure you would have heard these stories from your mom saying there were just no women on set.
Yeah.
They were
It was
just
her and her hairdresser.
Yeah, so tough, and there were no vanity vans, and we were all huddled together. To where we are now, we have women directors. I mean, I hate to prefix gender with what they do, but that's, more women in the writer's room, more directors, producers, actors who are setting the narratives, the boundaries right. What are the few things that you feel abhi tak change ho jana chahiye tha par nahi hua hai? Industry mein in particular. Are you really being offered the kind of roles that you would, that do merit to your talent? Do you guys feel that?
As a woman in her 40s, I see myself more than I would have had seen a generation ago.
Perfect.
I see women and actors, whether it's Vidya Balan, Raveena Tandon, there's so many, Neena Ji, there's so many women of all ages playing characters that are doing
Different
something
shades,
substantial.
yeah.
Not just heroine or heroine, hero ki maa ka role types.
Yeah.
So I feel like that is there. Of course, behind the screens as well, whether it's in production, whether it's writing, which I think is so critical, whether it's cinematography, in sound also. When in the last series I did, the person who came with the sound was a woman, which I thought was the first time that I'd seen someone in that department being headed by a woman. But still, few and far between, especially as I'm saying in those heads of department. I feel like we're still counting. We're still calling it a female director.
Correct.
So I feel like we're not there yet. We're still celebrating Women's Day, you know, and we still need to. Like a
Yeah.
lot of men still say, what is the need for
Yeah,
Women's Day? And
yeah.
don't you guys think you're talking too much now about this? And women are talking so openly. I mean, now they're discussing their periods also. Like, do we really need to hear that? And I feel like we do.
Yeah.
We still need
Yeah.
to fight. And this is us in Mumbai.
Correct.
In
Yeah.
a city.
With all the
We're-
privilege that we come from.
we are the
Yeah,
most
yeah,
privileged. I'm
yeah.
saying forget it, like the rest of India.
I only have one statement. No, there's more than that. We have changed. We've come a long way. I give all of that to everybody, but we are still not in the process of making decisions, which I think is my sore point. Because when I do a film, I want to get involved in the whole process.
Correct.
And if you're telling me you cannot decide on this, why? Why can't I be a part of the creative process? Give my ideas, give my options, and also be at a place where I have a gut feeling this is going to work.
Yeah.
Can we try this? Can we do this? We're still not there.
Yeah.
हमें जगह दी गई है, but वो जगह जी नहीं पा रहे हैं. Are you getting what I'm trying
But
to
the
say?
people around you are still not prepared to take you
Take it
seriously
correct.
and yeah.
Correct,
yeah.
correct. It'll still be.
That's true.
Is
yeah.
there somebody else who can advocate this and for you, and hence then
Yeah,
we will agree
yeah,
with you or not
yeah,
agree with you?
yeah.
It's not just you saying, can you go with my gut instinct of it?
Yeah.
That's what, I mean, the whole process is gut instinct,
Yeah.
right? Like somebody will tell you, a male
Yeah.
director or a male writer will tell you, no, I'm very sure this is going to work. And 5 people will agree with it.
Agree
give them
with
the
it
money.
because they're so easy. Yeah, that's
You
the
know?
conditioning you're talking about. Yeah.
अब अगर कोई मैं छोड़ो कोई लड़की बोले तो बोले
तुम्हें क्या पता?
कोई लड़का है क्या इसके
हाँ,
पीछे
हाँ,
से बोल रहा है तो मैं सुनता हूँ.
Correct.
That.
Correct.
ये
Never
क्या
have I ever खेलेंगे.
हाँ ये खेल
Oh!
सकते हो.
Never have I ever gotten genuinely scared while shooting a horror scene film. Is it Chori? Is it Chori 2?
Yeah, Chori 1, of course.
But not when shooting horror, when shooting like a romantic.
Actually, when you're shooting horror, it's funny, right? I'm assuming.
No, it's not. It's damn scary. Those
No, it's
खेत,
scary. Those
my God.
places to
गन्ने
shoot
के
are
खेत.
dark and dusty, and you need your torch to see where you're going. And you know, कभी-कभी एक अकेला चप्पल दिखता है, and you're like, where's the rest of the person?
Never have I ever had to sleep with the lights on after watching a horror film.
I have.
But also, I will not watch a horror film. I don't know which
Oh,
one the
you-
answer is.
you-
I will
yeah.
not watch a horror film at bedtime.
I have. I put on all lights and sleep if I watched a horror film in the night.
Which
I
is your
know-
favorite horror film abhi tak?
From Hindi, I think like 100 Days and Bhoot are up there.
Yeah.
From English, there are many, but maybe Conjuring, also Insidious, also so many.
Yeah, there are lots. Raat, starting with Revati ma'am's
Oh,
film Raat.
okay.
बिल्कुल नींद नहीं आती.
Never have I ever faked being okay with a creepy location when I was not.
Yeah, I have. I pretend like, I'm chill.
Yeah, even I have. I think.
What bhoot, what creepy.
Yeah, yeah.
जब अंदर से फटी पड़ी है.
Yeah.
I can't sit
Then I'm
there.
like,
alone.
Bharti idhar aao. Bharti who's my hairdresser. मेरे साथ सो आज.
Okay, never have I ever had a weird dream during a shoot that felt just too real. A scary dream
I have,
or
I
weird.
have. I have nightmares.
I haven't.
Yeah, achha, this is a byproduct of doing a horror.
Yeah, because you're constantly surrounding yourself with stories and then पता नहीं by default लोग आजू बाजू भी horror stories बोलते रहते हैं. मैंने कहा okay और दिमाग में बैठ गया.
Never have I ever had a real horror experience. Anything supernatural.
Actually, I have, but I don't know if that's
I mean, I also don't know if it was
super-
supernatural.
Yeah.
There's always, sometimes there's a logical explanation for everything.
Yeah, this one didn't have one. I don't know if there was a ghost or
Yeah.
I didn't see it. Hotel room में बैग एक ऐसे रखी थी हार्ड टॉप मैंने वो क्या होता है वो बैग रैक पे और सडनली विदाउट लाइक अ बैंग और व्हाटएवर साउंड द बैग ऊपर से ऐसे जो रखी थी वो नीचे जमीन पे ऐसे थी ऐसे ही खुली थी और उसमें सिर्फ 2 चीजें बाहर थी मतलब अगर गिरेगी भी तो पूरी गिरेगी और सब कुछ बाहर आएगा और ये 2 ही चीज बाहर थी और ऐसे थी नीचे तो मैं नाइट ड्रेस में ही लॉबी में भाग के घर आ गई मैं कहा नॉट इवन गोइंग टू यूज द बैग टू चेंज क्लोथ्स आई एम लीविंग
Keep the bag.
कीप इट
Never have I ever had a crush on a friend's boyfriend or husband.
My friends don't have very decent boyfriends or husbands.
Never have I ever gone on a crash diet, a fat diet to lose tons of weight.
Of course I have.
I've never dieted.
I have. Oh God.
You were so jealous, naturally gifted.
No, I never like eat unhealthy food.
No. Listen, when they
It's just
ask you
lifestyle.
to put on weight to look pregnant,
Yeah.
Yeah.
or they ask you to put on weight to look a certain character, and then after 2 months, 3 months of
Correct.
you eating,
Yeah.
and looking like that, suddenly they
Yeah.
tell you, "Oh, गाने shoot कर रहे हैं." मैंने कहा क्या? Lose the weight. मैंने कहा how many days? 10. I said, are you mad? I'll die. But yeah, you have to do it.
Yeah. Never have I ever Googled myself. Do you Google yourself?
Today, you mean? Today I haven't.
But you do?
Yeah, I do. Of course I do.
I never Google myself.
What?
Come
I
on.
swear to you. I swear to you, I never Google myself. I never Google images of mine. I never go down on my Instagram and check how many likes or what comments are there on my posts even. Twitter तो account मेरे पास है ही नहीं.
Twitter
किसी
तो
और
खैर
के
अब है ही नहीं.
पास- किसी और के पास है. मैंने कहा आप ट्वीट कर दो, मेरे को नहीं जानना क्या लिखा है.
Do you have a fake Insta
I don't even
account?
read
A Finsta.
reviews.
Finsta.
No, I don't have a Finsta.
Does Saif have one? Does the family
I
know?
can say he doesn't.
That's what you're supposed to say.
I can say he doesn't. I can say it in a variety of different ways. He doesn't. He doesn't. He doesn't. He doesn't. He doesn't. He doesn't.
She's right. She's right. Is she?
Doesn't he?
Two talented, beautiful women will not let you go till you reveal one. She looked at you and I said, will
Yeah.
not let you go.
I said, what?
Yeah.
Do we not have another interview? Sorry, it's 2 o'clock, babes.
Okay. One beauty secret or health tip that you would want to share with everyone.
Someone just told me to have, and I've forgotten what it was, one juice that is amazing.
No, what
And I've
you
forgotten.
do.
Haan, so I started doing it for the
Okay,
last 2
okay.
months.
Which
and I
one?
really feel, that's what I'm thinking about. वो कौन सा juice है?
Color bata de. They'll drink
White
everything in that
pumpkin
color.
juice. It's supposed to be like throw out all the toxins. Psh, psh. Also, headstands are really good. It's a really good primer for your makeup. Like all the blood goes to your head. You see the world from a different perspective.
Yeah, very tough, I know, but I don't really have any beauty secrets like that. And I'm
Arey,
not
just
trying to-
share. No, you've got
अरे मैं
flawless
बोल
skin.
अरे बोलने
Just
ही
women
अरे
supporting women.
बोलने ही वाली हूँ बोलने देगी माँ मेरी रुक जा 2 सेकंड दे दे
See, good thought.
अरे wait यार I just do basics. I get up in the morning and I drink chia seeds in water and then I have a cup of hot water with ghee, like organic
Oh, you do
ghee.
that?
Yes.
We're almost at the end of this. Tell me one thing that you loved about Chori 2, one thing you loved about Chori 2, and we shall end the interview.
One thing I genuinely liked about Chori 2 was us, the team that came back with it, which is Vishal sir, Anshul sir, our DOP, Vikram sir, our entire production team. Suha was a great new addition, but I love the fact that we took the world we celebrated and we enjoyed and we loved being a part of. And that also at a time when COVID was the worst thing that happened to all of us. That one community that we all stayed together when we shot Chori 1.
Yeah.
It, like my ADs, everybody, it felt like I'm so happy I'm with you guys again. I think that for me was the biggest emotional thing for me to do Chori 2 was.
So there was
the memory,
synergy and a
yeah,
lot of
the
positive
people,
vibes. Yeah.
I just think it's wonderful to be a part of like a pure horror film. Like it's like the return
Yeah.
of this genre, and people have spent a lot of thought, energy, money, vision on this to create this. And having seen the film, I'm really proud of it. I'm really proud to be a part of it, and I hope there'll be more.
इतने खुल के बात हो रही है. Thank you so much.
Oh.
Really loving this
That is
conversation.
really scary. That's the scariest thing anybody has ever said to me.
Khatam.
कि, oh God,
Tomorrow we're going to get
क्या
PR
headlines आने
mandates.
वाले?
Can you shut your mouth when this question is asked?
Yeah, really.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. You're talking about what is
Nusrat,
going to
can you give
benefit
an
half of mankind.
Nusrat, can you give an answer? No, can you say?
Can you just try saying?